Just a second, I'm just vlogging for my YouTube channel. Good morning. Hey guys, it's Shamika. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very cool shoot today, like a professional shoot for this company, right? It's like a ghagra company. It's a bridal store. So I'm gonna wear like beautiful ghagras. I'm gonna shoot reels and take photos with them. So I'm very excited. I want to take you guys over with me. So it's not a day in my life, but it's just a few hours in my life. It's currently 8 o'clock. They have called me there at 10 o'clock. So I have to get ready. I have to pack my stuff because they've given me a list to get from home. Basic inner garments. Cute, right? Yeah, let's get started. I think this will go up. This should go up because I want to be consistent. And yeah, let's get into the video. I think they want me to do base makeup and come. Just putting some serum. I'll do my eyebrows maybe. I'm not sure. I don't want to do anything right now. Look at this. From FC Road, Pune. Best. Also, let me just quickly show you my outfit. My top is from Zara and my pants are from Urbanic. You'll see more of it in the later video.
The clouds, they're begging to be stared at. They say
We are at the shoot location. Very pretty.
never used to do that. My dreams smell just like pine, like something once.
Guys, this is Ruchika. Hello. She is a social media intern in this place. You look gorgeous.
But the wind blows them like cotton. The rivers gave me my blue eyes. The trees inspired me to grow.
Hi guys. We are going to do the unboxing of the latest Mama Earth products that I've received. I already opened one of the products and I was so amused and I was like, wait, can't we just do an unboxing already? So once I'm opening it, I'm seeing like a lot of these different packages that are packed and I'm straight away jumping for the first one. As you can see, Mama Earth promotes recycling and they recycle most of the plastic that they use. The lighting's gone. This is naturally matte with vitamin C and E. It is smudge proof, transfer proof and dermatologically tested. Ooh, what? Here's the opening. Ooh, look at the packaging, guys. I mean, you need to carry the box everywhere. Ta-da! It is a naturally matte lipstick. It is made safe, of course, that I've mentioned all of it in my YouTube video. Color is beautiful. It's actually very resembling to the packaging color. Second, another lip serum. This is a different color, pink daffodil. The one that I showed you before was chocolate truffle. Very pretty again. It is 12 hours long. The packaging again, I'm a big fan of the packaging. Okay, I love this color already. It's like a very nice dark pink color, which is extremely cute and I've never had such a color, so I'm very excited to use this one. And exactly what is shown on the packaging, so the color here and here are very similar. So while choosing and selecting the particular color or particular shade you want, it is literally provided on the box. Coming to the next one, I'm literally doing this in the middle of exams. Oh my god, the color! This is Berry Addict Magenta, which is another beautiful pink. Also, I had told you in my last video that Mama Earth is planning to plant more and more trees. The more and more you buy, they plant more and more trees. And they've already planted 150,000 trees, and that's so cool. These products actually make a really good gift as well. This is like a darker one. I think my mom is gonna love this color. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, the color is gorgeous. Another one. Oh my god, like Mama Earth has literally sent me their whole lip serum set. wherever I go, I want to try any new shade. It's already available with me. This is the caramel nude. I think this is going to be my favorite because I am a big fan of nude colors. Hey, this is cute. This is, I think, a little similar to the chocolate truffle, but I think this is a little lighter. Look at this. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite. Let me just put it on my hand. Let me just turn on my other lights because the lighting is getting worse. There are like directions given at the back of the packaging. Once you apply it, it also nourishes your lips, and that's one of the best qualities. I don't know why, but I have always been using Mamaearth, and now they're finally sending me stuff to promote. I mean, I think this is my favorite, but I'll decide the best one at the end. I mean, the font over here and the font over here, they're just so cool. But this is gonna be like a total surprise. I was actually expecting a nude to be in. Another one, it is Candylicious Nude. Oh my god, already this is like a pink nude. They're crafted with brightening and hydrating agents to keep your lips moisturized all the time. It contains vitamin C and E. Even if you apply it on daily basis, it is made safe certified. So always a good idea to use some natural products. I'm loving it. I think this one's my latest favorite now. Having so many shades now, I can actually mix two of them and apply it on my lips. Okay, another one. One looks a little darker. This is Chirpy Cherry, which would look so cool on me when I'm wearing this black dress. It's a total red color. I have never done red lips in my entire life, so I think Mamaearth is giving me the chance to do it. Flake proof and comfortable to wear. It has a 12-hour long stay and 8 hours of hydration for your lips. Of course, when you have chapped lips, the 8-hour long hydration will provide your lips to get much more softer. This is a dark red, and I'm super excited to use this. Oh my god, this is like super dark. This is the red that I'm talking about. Another one. This is the second last one. Could be a shade of nude, please. It's rosy nude. I'm like, oh my god, I'm like so excited with the nudes already because they're gonna be like my daily lipsticks now. I was actually thinking of getting lipsticks, and look at this, guys. This is my favorite, yeah. Oh wow, this smells so good. This smells so good. I mean, all Mamaearth products smell so good, and you know, they give you like a comfort smell. Yeah, it's like Candylicious Nude. This one's a little lighter and Candylicious is a little darker. Last, guys, Beat It Red. It's another shade of red. They're already like telling me to like this is like extreme red, brightest red possible. It's like blood red, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited to use. I'm not a very red person, so I think Mamaearth is giving me the sign to apply red lipsticks now. So I'm going to show you all the lip shades again, and I think we're gonna choose one winner out of it, and then later we should do like a lip serum test. By the way, these are not broken. These are not called lipsticks, these are serums. Certified by Made Safe. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly put on the lip serum and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I finally decided the favorite one. It's the caramel nude. It has a very nice little pink tint in this nude color. Let me just put on and show it to you guys. I recently wore this to a party and I got a lot of compliments, and I'm not even kidding. The moment I walked out of the party, the lipstick wasn't gone yet. All my makeup was out, but not the lipstick. More importantly, I think it suits my personality overall. Look at that, guys. It is actually smudge proof and flake proof. Look at that. Also, these serums are available on the Mamaearth app, Nykaa, Amazon and Purple as well. So go check it out. Do not forget to use my code. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.